today I want to show you Hasedara temple in Kamakura. Hasedara temple is very famous temple in Kamakura. Hasedara temple is famous for its cannon statue. It is made of wood and on the top of his own head there is 12 other heads. So the total height is 9.18 meters. The entrance of the Hasedara temple is really beautiful. Red lantern and pine tree at the entrance creates a peaceful ambience. Now it's time to enter and explore this wonderful place. Here is a small pond at the entrance. I like these koi fishes. Here is the map of the entire Hasedara temple. This place looks bright in green mosses. Rio and Jizo, a group of little Jizos, are here to welcome all visitors. You can see Jizo the hall. Here, Fukuju Jizo is enshrined. Jizo is Buddhist saint who saves people and protects children. So people come here to pray for easy childbirth and prosperity. You will be amazed to see thousands of little Jizos here. It is believed that these Jizos help the souls of deceased children to reach paradise. So finally I have reached Kannon the hall. Kannon is the Buddhist goddess of mercy. In this main hall, you can see magnificent statue of Hase Kannon. It is one of the largest wooden Buddhist statues in Japan. You can see the Hasedara temple's main hall just behind of me. And the Kannon statue is really beautiful, but you cannot take pictures in the hall. In 721 AD, two 11-headed Kannon statues were made from a single sacred camphor tree near the village of Hase in the Nara region. The statue, carved from the lower part of the trunk, was enshrined in Hasedara temple in Nara, and the statue from the upper half was thrown into the sea with a prayer that it would reappear to save the people. After 15 years, it appeared at the Negi beach near Kamakura. Then the statue brought to Kamakura and a temple was constructed to honor it. Now you can see Amida Do Hall. The golden seated statue of Amida Buddha is enshrined here. It is believed that the statue was made in 1194 to expel evil spirits and offer protection against misfortune. Can you see Shoro Belfry, a large bronze bell? The bell is rung 108 times to eliminate the 108 sufferings of humanity. Here is the Inari Sha, Kakigara Inari. Legend says that the Kannon statue appeared floating on the sea by the guidance of Kakigara, oyster shells attached to it. This Inari Sha was established to enshrine the Kakigara. Kannon Museum is there. You can visit the museum to know more about Hasedara temple. But I can't wait to see the beautiful hydrangea now. Look at these vibrant colors of these flowers. You will find 40 types of hydrangea here. During the rainy season, hydrangea is full bloom.
Like a honeybee taking off that really shouldn't fly. Like a snowflake falling down on a summer day. It's just amazing. It's a million to one, million to one. It really couldn't be. Oh, 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 oh. You're my kind of one of
Far
a
away you
kind.
can see the beaches.
I'm gonna get out there and say it, 'cause there ain't gonna be one more like you, no. Ain't gonna be, ain't gonna be, ain't gonna be one more like you, no. Ain't gonna be, ain't gonna be. I could search high and low, but I know, I know, I know, I know, I know that there ain't
Colorful
gonna be
hydrangea
one more
flowers,
like
sea
you, no.
beaches, green trees will definitely
Kind of
blow
one
your
of a
stress
kind,
away.
like a black swan swimming about in a sea of white. Like a bouncer Saturday night acting really nice. That can't be right. Like the most beautiful girl in the world hitting up your phone. It's so wrong. It's a million to one, million to one. It really couldn't be, really shouldn't be.
Now I have reached Kyoto. Kyoto is a space for storing Buddhist scriptures. This place is so green. Bamboo trees makes this place calm and cool. You can spend some relaxed time sitting in the Kyoto. Here you can see Buddha's footprint engraved on stone. Now it's time to take some break. Here you can sit and have some snacks while enjoying the beautiful panoramic view of Uegama Beach. From this observatory, you can see Kamakura town, sea, and you can feel the refreshing sea breeze. Now I am in the Haseidara garden area. Here is Shonin Hall, a Shakya practice hall with rock garden. And here is the Daikokudo Hall. Daikokuden is believed to give success in life and business. Bentendo Hall. Fukutoku Benzaiten is the goddess of music and wisdom. I'm wondering to see the beautiful sculptures and garden here. Now, the most exciting part of the Haseidara temple is Bentenkutsu cave. I am pretty excited to enter the cave. It is believed this is the place where Kobodaishi, the Japanese Buddhist saint, practiced in solitude. Benzaiten and her 16 followers are chiseled on the rock walls. You need to be very careful about the ceiling. It's like crawling on the ground. But it's really amazing to explore this place. This place is so mysterious. These small statues are called Honobenzaiten. Here you can pray and write your wishes. So through your comments, please let me know, do you like the Haseidara temple? Are you planning to visit this place? Please like and subscribe my channel to explore different parts of Japan and click the bell icon to get the new video updates. Thank you for watching this video.